Okay, let's come over and look at the European indices next this morning. So FTSE, something and nothing today. I'm looking for it to drop down here into this B wave zone. So off the low last week, 1, 2, 3 into the 1.0, ABC for the 4, that held a 786 retrace of the 3, then A, looking for this B, and then the C of 5 up. We need to see all of that to prove that this low is any good, and we need to take out this green line up here at 76.65, because if we don't, then if I come down to the hourly chart, rather up to the hourly chart, then it is possible that we're still going to come down here, and that off this B, instead of an ABC, I've got a 1, 2, 3 in a diagonal. While we're below here, this can be a 4, and we drop down one more time, 74.27 to 73.63 area before we then move up. And the 73.63, 68 area is also the 50% retrace of the move up off the lows that we saw earlier this year. So that's what we've got in the FTSE. It's not doing anything tradable at the moment, so I just let the rest of this play out and give you a setup. German DAX, again today, pretty, lackluster stuff. I'm either looking for it to drop down here with the 1 in here and therefore the 2. While we're above this support zone though, this can be the 3, 4, and we'd pop up for this alt 1, and then we start the 2 again in the German DAX. So I'm looking to add to long positions when the setup's there. At the moment, doing nothing, just leaving the long in place with the stops. My stops are still down at 12,100, but I'm just playing the longer game on this one. I'm looking for 15,000 on this trade, certainly north of 14,000. Okay.